Hello everybody, the long-awaited Windows 11 is here, and then we are all excited about it. Just that it's quite unfortunate. Microsoft has blacklisted billions of laptops, and then unfortunately their specifications and standards for installing the Windows is not very friendly to most laptops and desktops out there, except that you have a very current device. But then that's not the end. There are a few fixes to that, and in today's video I'll walk you through the step-by-step procedures to get your Windows 11 successfully installed. My name is Divine. Okay, so the two basic specifications for installing the Windows 11 is the TPM and then secure boot. So your PC should be TPM 2.0 enabled, and then secure boot should turn on. Once you have those two things, you are good to go.
So you search tpm.msc at the tags bar search box, then this should display TPM details. So you see TPM management on local computer at the top here, and then you get to see the overview, the status, then it says TPM is ready for use, and we have available options, and then most importantly the TPM manufacturer information. Okay, so over here for my manufacturer is INTC, then the manufacturer version is 11.0.0.1202, and then the specification version. Now this is very important, mine is 2.0. okay, so if you have the TPM 2.0 as your version, then you can install the Windows 11. Okay, so at this stage we head to our BIOS to configure secure boot and then turn on the TPM. Okay, so if your PC is already on, you restart it, and if it's off, you just go straight to power it on. Then mine is restarting, as you can see. Then very soon so now before the Windows logo shows up, you press your function key for BIOS. My case is F1. For other models it's dependent on the model and then the brand, so it could be F1, F2, F10 or F11. So now we head to security. We navigate by using arrow keys to locate. Okay, so now we head to secure boot and then we click enter on the keyboard. Okay, so we are in secure boot, then we make sure it's enabled. So we just press enter on the keyboard to expand the tab. We press enter. Okay, and yeah, so if it is disabled, meaning secure boot is off, but now we want to enable it, so we make sure it's enabled. Okay, then we exit this tab, the secure boot tab. We go back to the previous menu by pressing escape key, then we navigate to security chip. Okay, so in some devices you see PTM settings, other devices you see FTP settings, depending on the brand, model, and then the manufacturer of the board. Okay, so we expand our security chip settings now by using enter. Then over here mine says Intel PTT, but then normally if the PTM is off, it's a discrete TPM. Okay, and discrete TPM corresponds with TPM 1.2, but then Intel PTT is the correct TPM settings that can run the Windows 11. And so if it's on discrete TPM, know that you can't install Windows 11. Then we head to security chip, and then we make sure it's enabled, because if it's disabled you can't run Windows 11. So we enable it. Then I think we are done here. We escape, press escape on the keyboard, then you save your changes and then you exit. Okay, so we confirm our changes, then we exit. So but then there's a little problem here. Okay, for most devices this should be it. You are done, you are good to go, and then you just go straight to your desktop and then you reinstall your Windows 11. You can see here my screen is stuck, and with other devices you don't even see the logo at all, and this means that your hard disk partition style is not configured to GPT format, it's at MBR format. And so what you do is you go back to BIOS and then you reset all the settings to the default, you turn off your secure boot, and then you go back to desktop and then you follow the procedures I'll guide you through. So first of all, you go to your settings and then you open update and security, then you click on recovery, and under the advanced setup section click restart now. Then next you click the troubleshoot option. Okay, so after that you click on advanced options. Then this should open up another menu. Then here you select command prompt option. Okay, you click the command prompt option. So over here you'll be asked to enter your administrator account, and then you select it and you enter your logins if it applies to you. Then you enter MBR 2GPT space / validate. Okay, then the next step, then you enter MBR 2GPT space / convert to convert it to GPT format. So now you click the close button and you turn off your PC. So now MBR conversion to GPT is done, and so you just go back to your desktop and then you follow the rest of the video to install your Windows 11. So now we locate our ISO file, and mine is here. Okay, so this is my ISO file, and because I'm done installing all the settings, I'm done with the settings, I'll just go straight away and then I'll install the ISO file. This will take a little while, but then I can't wait. I have all day. Okay, so my setup.exe file is here, and then I'll just extract it and wait patiently till it's extracted. Now this is almost done, and so the setup will run automatically after it's done extracting. Okay, yeah, so it's loading in the background. Let me just bring it forward. Let me minimize all this so that you see the actions. Yeah, it's minimized. Okay, yeah, so here we go. Windows 11 is loading. I think it's preparing to install or something, and just have to wait. Yeah, okay, yeah, so it's preparing to install. So this way faster than I expected it to be. Yeah, and okay, yeah, so here we are in the Windows installation environment, and just go through a few things and then be done. So we accept the license agreements. Let's accept, and will try to get some updates automatically. That's if you are connected to a network. And then next is we keep the stuff, we choose what to keep. So there are 3 options: keep personal files and apps, then you keep personal files only, and then the third option is you keep nothing. And then I want to keep my personal files. So if you choose nothing, this means you are going for a clean install, and then you don't get your apps, you don't get your settings, you don't get your files. But then I don't want to tamper with my apps and then files. I want to keep all of this intact. Yeah, I need all of them. Don't want to mess up with anything, and so I'll just keep it as keep personal files and apps. Okay, so click next. And should be done in no time. Okay, so they are trying to show a concern on me keeping my personal files and other stuff, languages and all that. Just ignore them and then go ahead and click OK to continue to my installation. Okay, so check for space. Okay, so this a brief overview of the things that I've decided to do so far. Decided to install Windows 11 Home and then keep my files. I don't want to change anything, so I'll just install. And I'm in my Windows installation environment now. Just wait for this to run. It's 10% now, so I'll just wait it out till the end. I think
Okay, so as you can see, I'm done with the installation of the Windows 11, and then the interface is very smooth. It's something very different from what we've been stuck with for quite some time now, and so just go ahead and explore. And if this video has been of so much help to you, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and then hit the notification bell so that anytime I upload educational videos like this, you get a pop-up. Thank you so much.